Welcome to History's Hiccups, Part 15. After Emperor Caligula's assassination in AD 41, a bizarre rumor swept through Rome. Caligula had survived and would soon reclaim his throne. The city, which loathed Caligula's tyranny, was engulfed in fear. Enter Claudius, Caligula's timid uncle, newly declared emperor. In a stroke of dark humor, Claudius publicly expressed his hope for Caligula's recovery and return to power, a clever way to affirm Caligula's death and mock the absurd rumor. Claudius's tactic not only quashed fears, but also solidified his own position as emperor, showcasing his wit in navigating Roman politics. This odd chapter in Rome's history highlights the mix of fear, rumor, and macabre humor that often surrounded its emperors.